Alright, I'll tell you what, just tell me the name and I'll point them out. So we'll start there. Pecto antebrachialis. So we see coming across here. And next we have the pectoralis major. So we have this triangle here, pectoralis major. Next to that, this V shape, like right here that I'm poking under, pectoralis minor. And then another V shape down here. This is the Syphe humoralis. And I think that puts us over to latissimus dorsi. Flip it over. So we're looking at this large area here, latissimus dorsi.
Okay, so let's think about serratus anterior.
We need the flip over here. And you notice how we have this forelimb, how it folds back. Folding back the pectoralis muscle, Syphe humoralis. Right along in here, we have the serratus anterior.
Yeah, we have like
And another one.
thoracolumbar fascia.
Okay, well we could go back to the
In here?
latissimus dorsi, and that's the origin, this connection.
Yeah.
Lumbodorsal fascia.
Do all of this.
The trapezius. Okay, this side is really nice. We'll start at the back of the head. And we have the clavotrapezius, just coming right off of the neck region. We span down here, I could feel the scapula, the bone.
Okay, so which
And we have the acromiotrapezius. And then again, as we come down towards the latissimus dorsi, we have this triangle right in here, the spinotrapezius. So clavo, acromio, and then the spinotrapezius. And I think next we have the deltoid, those same three parts. Rhomboids. Okay, so we could bring the arms together. And we have the section, it used to be connected right here to the medial side of the scapula. The rhomboid group in here. Pull that up. The rhomboid muscles group.
rotator cuff, rotator cuff.
Okay, supraspinatus, so this side's really good. And I'm going to start right here. I could feel the spine of the scapula. So we have supraspinatus. I feel the spine, the infraspinatus, and a teres major. I feel the bone. This other side's not dissected. Okay, you can do this really quick. Got to trim this off really quick.
And then you could probably do the like glutes without that too, right? So
Okay, so spine of the scapula, you can feel right here. Supraspinatus, infraspinatus. Then right at the edge of the bone, the edge of the scapula, hanging off here is the teres major. Subscapularis. We need to flip out the shoulder blade again. We already pointed out the rhomboid group, and it's now on this anterior surface here. Subscapularis. The deltoid. We want to go back to this side. And this is actually quite nice right here. So hanging off here, we have the clavodeltoid. This section right in here, we have the acromiodeltoid. And this section here, the spinodeltoid. So you got one clavodeltoid, you got the acromiodeltoid, and the spinodeltoid.
triceps brachii.
And triceps is actually a good muscle to go to next. You can follow the triceps right up, and that leads you right to the deltoid group. So we have the triceps brachii lateral head. We have the triceps brachii long head. And the medial head, some groups cut the lateral head, you fold it back, and here's the medial head. So triceps brachii lateral head, triceps brachii long head, triceps brachii medial head. And it seems maybe with this cat, you came from this side, folding this back, and this again, this little skinny one, right here, triceps brachii medial head. This is the long head, this is the medial head.
Biceps brachii.
So biceps brachii. So you notice we're up here by the clavodeltoid, the pecto antebrachialis, and folding that back. We have biceps brachii.
Brachialis.
Brachialis. Okay, we're going to have to spin it around. This side. Okay. We have the deltoid again, the triceps. And it's the muscle here, the brachialis.
Brachioradialis.
I'm going to stretch out the elbow. And you can get it. Let's see. This here. How does the other arm look? Hanging off here, you got the brachioradialis, that really skinny one, very, very thin muscle. Extensor carpi radialis, so we want an area that's really, really, really loose. Okay, so brachioradialis, you can see starting up here by the brachialis, that next muscle. Extensor carpi radialis. We have here. And it's a group, right? Let's say group, alright. So I want to get these next two here. So ulnaris. I'm not getting into that next one over here. There we go, got around it. The retinaculum, so we're looking at the banding all around here, wrapping around.
Flexor carpi ulnaris.
Okay, so flexor. So let's go. Okay, so pronator teres, we want to come to the supine position. And we're looking for this really flat strip here. Wait, palmaris longus or pronator teres?
Pronator teres.
Oh, pronator teres. Okay. Pronator teres, we want to get to the elbow, and we want this one here.
Flexor carpi ulnaris.
Flexor carpi ulnaris, so it's going to put us on this side. So let's start here, the palmaris longus, this really wide flap. Palmaris longus, this really wide flap here. We'll point out a pronator teres again, okay, here at the area of the elbow joint. And now just between those two, pronator teres, palmaris longus, we have the flexor carpi radialis, palmaris longus, and on the other side of it, flexor carpi ulnaris.
Flexor
Retinaculum.
So it's named exactly the same thing.
We're seeing the banding around here, around the supine surface, anterior side here. Is that the last one? All right.
Thank you.